Hey folks, welcome to an Aitum Basics tutorial. In this video we'll go over queues and how to use them. The main idea of a queue is when you have multiple rules that you may not want to interfere with one another. For example, if you have multiple channel point redemptions showing and hiding sources in OBS. With the functionality of queues, you can combine rules together in one list and let them trigger one after the other with a specified time limit. And today I'm going to show you how you can do this. First, head to the queues section in the app. Then, select Add Queue to create a new item. Inside the pop-up, you'll want to name your queue. Make sure it's something easily recognizable to group your rules together. Next, select your queue runners. This is how many rules at once you'll allow to be triggered. For example, if it's 1, the queue will only have 1 rule trigger at a time. But if it's 2, then 2 rules will trigger at the same time. And finally, select your queue time. This is the time length that you shall wait for each rule to be triggered one after the other. For example, if your rules will last 5 seconds each, you can then have this set to 5, so that they never overlap. Once you have created a queue, you will see these options next to it. You can pause the queue if it's running, clear the queue from all remaining rules, a configure option to tweak the settings of the queue, and finally, a delete button. To assign your rules to a queue, head to the rules section and where it currently states no queue, click on this option and assign it to the desired ones you have created. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any issues or want to show us something very cool that you've created with Aitum, please join the Discord or follow our Twitter. Links to both will be in the description down below.